So last lecture we had started with this. We had done this. I mean, I was at the tapering end of the lecture. Methods of calculating EOQ, the formula method, tabular method, which is there in your syllabus. So I've highlighted it with yellow. And then there is a third method called as the graphical method, which is not there in your syllabus. Okay. So, but basically there are three: formula method, tabular method, and graphical. Okay. This is what I had done last lecture. I have explained you the concept of EOQ. Right? Yeah. And, there are four types of sums in material cost. First is EOQ sums. Okay, type 1 is EOQ sums. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, question may they have asked you only the formula method, but the same sum we will do with tabular method also. क्योंकि tabular method portion में है ना इसलिए. Okay, so this is the question. First question, October 2014 का. Okay. Now, a manufacturer buys certain essential parts from outside supplier at rupees 40 per set. So this is the raw material price per unit will be. Okay, yeah. Now, first what you have to do is in the formula method, yeah. Please write down the formula, students. Yeah. सबसे पहले आप formula लिखोगे, ठीक है? सबसे पहले आप formula लिखोगे, write down. मैं आपको बताती हूँ how to identify in the sum what is there, what not. Okay. See, what have they asked you? Calculate EOQ by formula method. Okay, and also calculate number of order to be placed. दो चीज फाइंड करनी है. तो लिखो, first write the formula. Write down formula method EOQ square root of 2AO upon C. Okay, write down A is equal to annual demand. A is equal to what? Annual demand, मतलब annual consumption. पूरे साल में आपको कितना raw material लगता है. That is called A. So let us search in the question. ये रहा. Total annual requirement ये रहा is 45,000 sets. This is A. Okay. A. This is A. 45,000. और ये जो 40 rupees था, what was this? This was raw material per unit. Raw material price per unit. Okay. Yeah. तो यहाँ लिख दो A is 45,000. Okay. Next, O. O is what? Order cost per order. So this word is important, na? Which word? ये cost per order. ये word important है. तो ढूंढो सम में ये किधर है. ठीक है. See the last line. Cost of placing an order is how much? 5 rupees. So this is my O. ठीक है. So इधर लिखो ₹5 per order. Okay. Yeah. The word per order is important. Okay. Next. Carrying cost per unit per annum. Okay. Now here which word is important? This per unit per annum. And also I had told you, I'll take you back to the theory. मैंने आपको बताया था how to identify carrying cost. It should be with a percentage sign. See, percentage sign, or this word should be there, per unit per annum. Okay. Yeah. चलो अभी सम में ढूंढते हैं किधर है ये. So let us read the sum. The annual cost of investment in inventory is 10%. ये रहा. Okay, yeah. Annual cost per annum, na, per unit per annum. Yeah. Okay. And cost like rent, stationery, insurance, etc. per unit per year. मतलब per unit per annum. ठीक है, per unit per annum. Right, like this. Per unit per annum. ये दिया हुआ है. Okay. Okay. So this is my C. Carrying cost. तो लिखो carrying cost per unit per annum. Let us calculate. कितना बोला है? 10%, right, per annum. So 10% per annum. किस पे? Per unit पे. Per unit per annum बोला है ना? Per unit per annum. तो 10% is per annum. Per unit कितना है? 40 रुपया. अभी समझा? इसको बोलते हैं पर यूनिट पर एनम. समझ में आया? एवरीवन जस्ट एक्नॉलेज इन द चैट बॉक्स. प्लस वो 1 रुपया स्टोरेज कॉस्ट है ना, 1 रुपया दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में. हाँ, 1 रुपी. Yeah, see, cost of rent, stationery, taxes, etc. is how much? 1 rupee. Okay. ठीक है, सॉल्व करो. 40 रुपीज का 10% कितना होता है? 4 रुपया. 4 plus 1 5 रुपीज. ठीक है, ऐड करो. 4 plus 1. So my answer is 5 rupees per unit per annum. This is very important. ठीक है, हो गया मेरा सॉल्व. ए हो गया, ओ हो गया, सी भी सॉल्व हो गया. अभी इसमें डालो, सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द फॉर्मूला. 2 into 45,000 is A, O is 5 rupees, C is also 5 rupees. Coincidentally same आया, generally same नहीं होता. Okay, solve it. 2 into 45,000 into 5 divide by 5 equal to 90,000. Press the square root sign. So my answer is 300. So इधर लिखो 300 sets. Okay, so इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is called EOQ. What is the meaning of EOQ? How much to buy in one order, yeah, how much to buy in one purchase is known as EOQ. So see, 300 sets मतलब how much to buy in one order. How much to buy in one order. ये है ना EOQ का meaning. हाँ, तो it answers the questions. 300 sets to be bought in one order. तो एक बार जब आप सप्लायर को फोन पे ऑर्डर प्लेस करोगे तो कितना बोलोगे, कितना रॉ मटेरियल भेजना है? 300 सेट भेजना है. समझ में आया? ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? समझ में आ रहा है? 300 सेट्स का मीनिंग समझ में आया? एक बार जब आप रॉ मटेरियल खरीदोगे सप्लायर से, फोन पे उसको बोलोगे 300 सेट्स भेज, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. ओके, हाँ. सेकेंड टाइम जब ऑर्डर प्लेस करोगे वापस 300 सेट. सो एवरी टाइम यू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर, यू आर गोइंग टू प्लेस ऑर्डर ऑफ 300 सेट, नॉट लेस देन दैट एंड नॉट इवन मोर देन दैट ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है, मैंने वो एग्जांपल दिया ना डीमार्ट का. आपकी मम्मी डीमार्ट जाएगी, वो वाला. पहले मम्मी हर महीने डीमार्ट जा रही है तो 20 किलो चावल, 20 किलो दाल, 20 किलो गेहूं खरीद रही है. फिर मम्मी ने सोचा यार हर महीने जाती हूँ, 150 रुपये रिक्शे में ही लग जाता है, तो चलो 3 महीने का एक साथ खरीद के लाती हूँ. तो 60 kg दाल, 60 kg राइस, 60 kg गेहूं. ओके, So in one go, how much is she buying? 60, 60, 60. So that's her EOQ. Understood? फिर उनको जो साल में 12 बार जाना है, वो उनका नंबर ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी रिड्यूस हो जाएगा ना जाने का डीमार्ट में, 4 बार ही जाना पड़ेगा पूरे साल में. समझा? नेक्स्ट, they have asked you to calculate number of orders to be placed. Number of orders to be placed मतलब they are asking you to calculate frequency. How many times will you place an order? It is that frequency. Okay? जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था, मम्मी का डीमार्ट जाएगी तो क्या होगा, कितनी बार जाएगी. अगर मम्मी 60 केजीज लाएगी हर 3 महीने में, तो मम्मी साल में 4 बार ही जाएगी. अगर 20 किलो लाएगी तो मम्मी को हर महीने जाना पड़ेगा, तो साल में 12 बार जाएगी. ओके, दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी. नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स टू बी प्लेस्ड. सो फॉर्मूला इज A upon EOQ. राइट डाउन A upon EOQ. So 45,000 upon 300. So 150 times. तो मैन्युफैक्चरर क्या करेगा, पूरे साल में 150 टाइम्स सप्लायर से माल खरीदेगा. अंडरस्टूड? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay. Clear? अभी आप वेरीफाई कैसे करोगे आपका आंसर राइट है कि रॉन्ग? ये जो आंसर आया 150 टाइम्स, ये राइट है कि रॉन्ग? सी, पे अटेंशन. चाहिए तो कहीं लिख दो. हाउ विल यू वेरीफाई योर आंसर इज राइट? सी, आई टेल यू. You got this answer 150 times and you got this answer 300. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 300 मल्टीप्लाई विद 150 कितना आया? 45,000. अभी चेक करो, आपका A 45,000 है? हाँ है ना, मेरा A 45,000 है. समझा हाउ टू क्रॉस चेक? ओके, so this is how will you cross check your answer whether you have done it right or not. अगर मैच नहीं किया मतलब फिर गड़बड़ है. ठीक है, समझा? अंडरस्टूड द वेरिफिकेशन स्टेप? Frequency multiplied with EOQ will give you A. Okay, so this is how you will cross check your answer. I repeat, 150 times multiplied with 300 my EOQ. It should match with my annual demand. Yeah, annual consumption. Okay. Next, we will find one more thing which is not given in the question. It is not asked. बट ठीक है, हम सीखेंगे बिकॉज वो आपके सिलेबस में है और कभी कभी पूछते भी हैं. तो ABC, I'll add this also to the question. Let us learn how to calculate total cost also. Okay, and let us learn how to calculate order cost also, ordering cost, and let us learn how to calculate carrying cost also. Okay, तो ये भी लिखो. Add this to the question. A EOQ, B frequency, C total cost, D order cost, and E carrying cost. ठीक है, ये important है. I'm teaching because इसके बाद I'm going to do the tabular method for the same sum, and there you should know this concept. So I am teaching it in the formula method also, so that जब मैं टेबल मेथड करूंगी तो उधर आपके दिमाग में आपको समझ में आएगा कि मैम क्या कर रही है. ओके, क्लियर? Acknowledge it in the chat box. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, so just don't think question में there is only 2 things, ma'am is calculating 5 things. I am calculating 5 things because I want to teach you after this table method, and in table method you should know all the 5 elements. Okay, yeah, chalo, great. So let us find. Chalo, next लिखो total cost. Write this formula. This is the formula for total cost. Square root of 2 into A into O into C. Okay. See, in other lecture, F division, when I was taking a lecture today morning, so students asked me, ma'am, I mean, they are referring textbooks where the formula is not same. I had mentioned this in the first lecture itself. Last lecture, जब मैंने आपको EOQ के formulas बताए थे, okay, I had already told you EOQ का formula as मैं ऐसे लिखती हूँ, square root of 2 AOC for memorizing. It is easy to memorize. A for annual demand, O for order cost, C for carrying cost. ओके, तो टेक्स्ट बुक्स में दे यूज द फॉर्मूला स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2ab c, एक ही बात है ना, वो लोग बी तो इसको बोलते हैं, ऑर्डर कॉस्ट को बी बोलते हैं, हम ओ बोलते हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है। ओके, सॉल्व दिस, 2 into 45,000 into 5 into 5, 22,50,000, press the square root sign, 1,500 is my answer, total cost. ठीक है, सो एक बार में आप कितना परचेस करते हो, एक बार में आप 300 रुपीज 300 सेट्स परचेस करते हो, और ये 300 सेट्स परचेस करने के लिए आपका कॉस्ट कितना इनकर होता है, आपके जेब से कितना जाता है, 1,500 रुपीज जाता है एक बार के परचेज में। हाँ, एक बार के परचेज में टोटल कॉस्ट इज 1,500। ओके, क्लियर। ओके, so this is one more formula of calculating total cost. Yeah, order cost plus carrying cost. So in material cost, total cost is what? There are two types of total cost: ordering cost and carrying cost. समझ में आया? So ये formula से भी आंसर सेम आना चाहिए, obviously आएगा, क्यों नहीं आएगा? But I prefer this. This is the formula method, and ये जो formula है, this will be used for table method. ठीक है? So देखो ये भी I told you ना to calculate this also OC and CC. तो हम अलग से पहले OC CC निकालेंगे, फिर उसको सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, ठीक है? ABC D. Okay, I'm leaving two lines. I'm calculating D here, ordering cost, your order cost. Formula is A upon size of, I mean, it is like this, a formula they write like this, 8 minute. Annual demand or annual consumption divided by size of order multiplied with order cost per order. Okay. So if I want to reduce this formula, what will I write? What is the formula? Annual demand matlab A, right? Then size of order. What is the meaning of size of order? Size of order means EOQ. Multiplied with order cost per order means O. Okay? Abhi samjha? So the formula is A upon EOQ into O for ordering cost. Okay? Now substitute. What is A? 45,000. What is EOQ? We just got 300. And O was how much? 5 rupees. Solve karo. 45,000 divided by 300 into 5. 750 rupees is the answer. Yeah. Fine. Next. A, B, C, D, E. Next, carrying cost. Okay, हाँ मैंने सिखाया था फाइनल आंसर को बॉक्स करना है. Yes. Don't forget. Okay. Carrying cost. Formula is size of order divided by 2 into carrying cost per unit per annum. Size of order. Size of order is denoted with EOQ. So this is the formula into C. ठीक है, तो OC का फॉर्मूला क्या है? A upon EOQ into O. CC का फॉर्मूला क्या है? EOQ upon 2 into C. ओके, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 300 divide by 2 into carrying cost is how much? 5. Multiply 300 divided by 2 into 5, 750. Obviously, my answer has to be same OC and CC. Why? I'll tell you the reason. I'll take you back to the theory जो मैंने last lecture में किया था. I'll come to that. Yeah, see this one. What is EOQ? As per definition, at EOQ, total cost is minimum. Total cost is the least. The least, मैंने बोला था ना, how much to purchase, so that the cost is the least. And at EOQ, OC is equal to CC. समझ में आया? OC is equal to CC. तभी total cost सबसे least होता है. I repeat, जब OC is equal to CC, that time total cost is the minimum. So they have to be equal always. So this is the formula to check how they are equal. 750, 750. ठीक है? So अभी इधर substitute करो. अभी अपने को मिल गया ना आंसर. 750 plus 750 कितना होता है? 1500. See, it has to match with this formula which I taught you. Yeah. Is the sum clear? Formula method is clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is the formula method clear to everyone? All the 5 things, EOQ, frequency, total cost, the other way to calculate total cost, and then OC and then CC. Okay, fine. Thanks, dear. And yeah, simultaneously start giving your attendance in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. अभी सेम सम का हम टेबल कंप्लीट करेंगे. तो स्टार्ट. सेम सम का टैबुलर मेथड. राइट नाउ. Tabular method or table method. Okay. So all these 5 things what we have learned in formula method will be written here in the table method. Okay. The first column is frequency. Okay. Second column is size of order. Okay. Next column is OC. Next column is CC. And last column is total cost, which is OC plus CC. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So how to calculate size of order? A, annual demand. divide with frequency. Okay, how will you get this column? Okay, size of order, annual demand divided by frequency. In the table method, and OC, we don't have to use the formula. Don't forget that formula इधर use नहीं करना है, हमको उसमें थोड़ा changes लाना है. हाँ, तो right, size of order divided by A write all this and keep. Okay, this is the tabular method. So whatever you find in the formula method, you have to write it in the tabular method. Now start. पहला क्या है? Frequency. अब ये frequency मैं कैसे decide करूँगी? अब मेरे पास already formula method ready है, उसको देख के मैं कर सकती हूँ. I know what is the frequency. My frequency answer is how much? 150 times. So I'm making a table, right? So I have to keep a gap. Gap of how much? Gap of, say, you can keep 10-10 ka gap, you can keep 5-5 ka gap, you can keep 30-30 ka gap, 50-50 ka gap. It is up to you. But I would suggest कि ज़्यादा gap मत रखो. Okay? Yeah. तो मैं कर रही हूँ इसको ऐसे सुनो. 50, directly keeping a gap of 50. Then 100, next 150, then make it 200, next 250, then 300. ओके, ज्यादा मत लेना. कितना लिया मैंने? 1 2 3 4 5 6 बहुत होगी. ओके, जस्ट कीप 6 थिंग्स. 5 इज एक्चुअली 5 भी ठीक था. ओके, 250 पे भी एंड करोगे चलेगा. ओके, 50 100 150 200 250 300 तक जाओ. दैट्स इट. हमको पता है हमारा आंसर 150 है. हमको पता है ना आंसर फॉर्मूला मेथड से कि द आंसर इज 150. But still you go 3 steps more. Show 200, show 250, show 300. Okay. Now come to size of order. How will you get this? Annual demand divided by frequency. So annual demand कितना है? Yeah. A 45,000. So 45,000 divided by 50. कितना होता है? 900. So right here 900. Next 45,000 divided by 100. 450. So right here 450. Next 45,000 divided by 150. So right here 300. Next 45,000 divided by 200. So right here 225. Then 45,000 divided by 250. Answer is 180. Right here 180. 45,000 divided by 300. Answer is 150. So right here 150. Okay. नेक्स्ट ओसी. अब मैंने फॉर्मूला तो लिखा है बट मैं आपको शॉर्टकट बताती हूँ इसका. ओके, व्हाट इज ओ? ऑर्डर कॉस्ट पर ऑर्डर. बराबर. तो एक बार ऑर्डर प्लेस करोगे तो कितना? 5 रुपया. बराबर. तो आपने कितनी बार ऑर्डर प्लेस किया है? 50 times. So 5 into 50. 5 into 50 कितना हुआ 250. So सीधा लिखो इधर direct 250. So this is a shortcut I'm teaching you. Okay, yeah. Don't go with the formula a upon size of order into o. थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाएगा. मैं आपको इसका शॉर्टकट बता रही हूँ. Okay, शॉर्टकट क्या है इसका? ध्यान दो. What is the shortcut of this? Yeah, you can go like this. Frequency multiplied with o. Frequency multiplied with o. Okay, this is a shortcut. So what is the frequency? 100. Okay, 100 into 5 rupees. How much? 500. Next, 100 into, sorry, 150 into 5. 750. Right here, 750. Next, 50, sorry, 5 into 200. What am I doing? 5 into 200. 1000. So right here, 1000. Okay. Then 5 into 250. 1250. So like this, keep completing. Then 300 into 5. 1500. Okay, like this. This will be the best shortcut. I'll continue the sum in the next lecture. Okay. Or else do one thing, rejoin with the same meeting ID. 5 minutes lagega, we will complete the sum. Okay, rejoin with the same meeting ID. It will take just 5 minutes more. We will be able to complete the sum. Okay. So students rejoin, rejoin with the same meeting ID. I will complete this sum. 5 minutes more. Just you have to calculate certain things. So I know my answer is here. ये मेरा answer है 150 frequency as per the formula. हाँ, मेरा answer इसी range में है. But still, you have to go 3 steps more exam में. Okay, just to show the examiner, yeah, you're doing 3 steps more and then you calculate it. Actually, we are doing reverse engineering. We have the formulas in front of us and we are doing reverse engineering and calculating the table method. Okay, yeah. Then how did you calculate the second column? A upon F, है ना? Annual demand upon frequency. So annual demand कितना था? How much was the annual demand? 45,000, है ना? So 45,000 divided by 50, 900. 45,000 divided by 100, 450. 45,000 divided by 150, 300. 45,000 divided by 200, 225. 45,000 divided by 250, 180. 45,000 divided by 300, 150. Okay, so this is how you will calculate this column. ठीक है, next क्या calculate किया हमने? OC. So what did I tell you? Shortcut. Instead of using this formula, use this shortcut. ओके, ओसी इज व्हाट? ऑर्डर कॉस्ट, है ना? एक ऑर्डर का आपने 5 रुपया दिया है, तो अगर आप 50 ऑर्डर्स प्लेस कर रहे हो तो कितना दोगे? मल्टीप्लाई. सो सी आई हैव डन दैट ओनली. फ्रीक्वेंसी मल्टीप्लाइड विद ओ. ओके, सो 5 rupees multiplied with 50. If you want, since it is the first sum, I will write it here. मैं इधर लिख देती हूँ. ओके, 50 into 5 rupees. Next, 100 into 5 rupees. Next, 150 into 5 rupees. Next, 200 into 5 rupees. Okay, so you'll understand ये answer कैसे आया. 250 into 5 rupees. Okay, then frequency ना 300 into 5 rupees. Okay, got it now? समझ में आ रहा है everyone? Is it clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, fine. Thanks, Prajakta, Devanshi, Sakshi, Shivam. Yeah, Kriti. Yeah, thank you, dear. ठीक है, अब I will teach you one more shortcut. ये सब shortcut ध्यान में रखो, हाँ, ये सब note down करो. हाँ, ये किसी books में दिया नहीं है ये सब. I am telling you all this. These all shortcuts I have learned when I was when I was studying. That time मैंने ये खुद sum करते करते, I mean, मेरे को समझ में आया कि this is how we calculate this. So this is why I said this shortcut you have to go through. Okay. Now next shortcut, CC, size of order upon 2 into C. Okay. Next. Okay. Size of order. So see, I'll show you iska shortcut also. Yeah. Just see this. इसका न्यूमरेटर साइज ऑफ ऑर्डर मतलब व्हाट, EOQ है ना, अपॉन 2 into C. So this column. into C. ठीक है, तो ये है बराबर. तो EOQ किधर है मेरा, ये कॉलम है साइज ऑफ ऑर्डर वाला. ओके, दिस इज द कॉलम ऑफ साइज ऑफ ऑर्डर, द सेकेंड कॉलम. ठीक है. सो सी व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. हाँ, सी मैं इसको कैसे लिखती हूँ. ये मेरा न्यूमरेटर कितना है, सी कितना है, C अपॉन 2 इंटू साइज ऑफ ऑर्डर. कैन आई राइट दिस लाइक दिस. मैं ऐसे लिख सकती हूँ इसको. तो ये मेरा शॉर्टकट देखा ये. या तो दिस इज कॉमन in every step. This will be common. C upon 2, C upon 2. How much is C? 5 rupees. So 5 rupees upon 2, 5 rupees upon 2, 5 rupees upon 2. समझ में आ रहा है. Okay, am I clear till here? समझ में आ रहा है everyone? Are you understanding what I have done? I have rearranged the formula. हाँ, shortcut के लिए I have written it like this. C upon 2 into size of order. ठीक है. Size of order is what? It is my second column. C upon 2 कॉमन रहेगा. तो मैंने आपको एक शॉर्टकट मेथड सिखाया था कॉस्ट शीट में, याद है ना. हाँ, तो लिखो C कितना है, 5. तो कैलसी पे करो, डू इट ऑन कैलसी, डोंट डू इट ऑन द सिस्टम कैलसी. तो 5 डिवाइड बाय 2, press the equal to sign and then multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, yeah, I repeat, 5 divided by 2, press the equal to sign, then the multiplication sign 2 times. Okay, and then keep typing what answer you want. I want my first answer 900 ka. So type 900 and press equal to. So my answer is 2250. Next, I want this answer 450. So type 450, press equal to. My answer is 1125. Next, type 300, press equal to. My answer is 750. Next, type 225, press equal to. My answer is 562.5. 562.50. Then type 180, press equal to 450. Okay, ये सब किसी टेक्स्ट बुक्स में नहीं दिया है. You have to learn it like this. You have to practice it, तभी आएगा ये सब. मैंने भी प्रैक्टिस से ही सीखा है when I was a student. Okay, so then type 150, press equal to. My answer is 375. Okay, I hope I am clear with this. Because we have been doing this shortcut in cost sheet, तो इधर आपको ये easy लगेगा. I hope you will prefer this shortcut when you are doing table method. Otherwise, you are going to take a lot of time in exam to complete this. Okay, ये सब आपको 30 minutes में करना है. Formula method भी complete करना है और table भी complete करना है. Together will come for 20 marks, one sum. Okay, so ये छोटे छोटे techniques ध्यान में रखो. कभी भूल जाते हो तो you all know I have put my lectures on YouTube, so you can even refer from there. Okay, I have put cost sheet chapter 2 baki hai, reconciliation, and then this chapter I'll be doing it soon. Okay, so anytime you forget anything, you can just go to YouTube, see the lectures there. ओके कभी कभी या तो नोट डाउन कर लो किसी बुक में, नोट डाउन नहीं कर रहे हो तो लेक्चर्स आप रीड देख सकते हो, रीस्केड्यूल करके देख सकते हो, ठीक है, डन। You have to use the shortcut method here, ठीक है। चलो अभी हो गया, अभी क्या टोटल कॉस्ट सीसी प्लस ओसी प्लस सीसी ऐड करो, ओके ऐड इट 2250 प्लस 250 कितना होता है 2500, इफ यू कैन डू इट ऑलरेडी डू इट, देन 500 प्लस 1125 1625, next 750 plus 750 1500, next 1562.50, next 1250 plus 450, 1250 plus 450 कितना होता है 1700, 1700, and last 1875. Okay, this is my total cost. Okay, अभी क्या, अभी यो क्यों ढूंढूं, हमको तो आंसर पता है, बट आई विल जस्टिफाई द फॉर्म द डेफिनेशन, डेफिनेशन क्या बोलता है, आई टेक यू बैक टू द डेफिनेशन, ये रहा, ओके डेफिनेशन क्या बोलता है, EOQ is a technique to determine how much to buy. The purchase and storing function involves certain cost. When stock is increased, number of purchase can be reduced, cost of storing would increase, cost of placing an order will decrease. At EOQ strikes a balance between cost of storing and cost of placing an order, that is CC and OC. At EOQ, total cost is minimum. This point is important. Okay, I repeat, at EOQ, total cost is minimum, and so EOQ at EOQ, OC is equal to CC. Okay, so this is the highlight point. ये है highlighter. ये important है. Okay, ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं at OC equal to CC का क्या फंडा है, ठीक है। अभी देखो, ये मेरा टोटल कॉस्ट कॉलम है, ओके। वेयर इज माय कॉस्ट मिनिमम, माय कॉस्ट इज मिनिमम हियर, ये ध्यान से देखो, पूरे कॉलम में वेयर इज द कॉस्ट मिनिमम, सबसे कम टोटल कॉस्ट कौन सा है 1500, सबसे कम टोटल कॉस्ट है, तो यही रेंज मेरा आंसर है, सो माय आंसर इज इन दिस रेंज, ओके माय आंसर इज इन दिस रेंज, उसको ऐसा हाईलाइट कर दो, okay, so highlight the answer, so this is my answer, see 150 is my frequency, 300 is my EOQ size of order, 750 is my OC, 750 is my CC, and 1500 is my total cost. आ गया, I got my answer. Okay, this is my frequency, this is my EOQ, this is my OC, this is my CC, and this is my total cost. समझ में आया everyone? Okay, समझा? Acknowledge it in the chat box. So this is, wait a minute. Okay, so either my cost is minimum, my total cost is minimum here. Okay, fine. Thank you, dear. So I am ending up with the meeting then. Okay. So next lecture with a new sum.